Hello traders, how was the day today? So we were expecting a quieter day today and it was everything but quiet, right? So let's see what happened in the ETH and then what happened in the RTH charts and how we traded that. If you see in the morning, we had a nice wedge reversal on the ETH chart, right? This is around 8 o'clock in the morning, 7:50. And then we came above this 5505 to 5507 area, which was the measured move for the 4-hour bears. And then this bar one happened at 9:30, right? Once this bar one happened, let us now go back to the RTH chart. So before we get into the trades, these were the different plans that we had in the morning, that if we keep going up from here and get above the 19 area, then our targets will be 27. If we get above that, the next target will be 35. Above 35, we'll get 48, and above 48, we'll finally move towards the 55-60 line, right? So this was the one of the plans. The other plan was if we get rejected at 35 again, like it was happening yesterday, it may come down, hit the low of yesterday once again, and then get down to the 4590 area. Or the third option was we'll keep on doing this trading range like we have been doing between 35 and 16, 35 and 10. So that was the last option available. However, what happened with the 930 bar is that it broke through all those areas and closed at 25. So what we did was we went long above bar 1 and our target was somewhere close to this 200 EMA or to the 60-minute EMA, and we took profit there. And immediately, if you see there started a pullback. However, during the pullback, if you see, this was our body gap. Correct. This was the body gap that we had, and none of the candles closed below the body gap. So that was telling me that there is still juice in the market. The bulls will still be able to take the market higher, but we had to wait for a right signal to happen. So taking a chance, I actually, let me get in the bar counters here. So taking a chance, I actually bought the close of this bar number 11, and then my target was to the 35. If we can cross the 35 area, we will be able to get to the 48 area maybe. However, this kind of the wedge was forming, and when we touched it for the third time right here, I came out of the trade. Now, considering this to be the wedge rejection and this to be the second entry short, we actually shorted below candle number 29, and then we targeted this body gap area once again. However, when this candle did not touch the body gap and it was right above the 50% line of the day, we came out at the close of this candle. Now, if you see after that, this was the first entry long. Bar 40 was the perfect second entry long. However, I was away from my desk and I could not take this trade. But what it did in the process was it created another nice body gap. We came inside that body gap multiple times, and then when this candle finally closed above the 4.8 area, I bought above this candle, and my target was somewhere in the 5.6 area, and I came out right there when we came and hit this line. I did not participate in this part of the trade anymore. It was already 2:30, and I did not want to get into a new trade. But this was a nice bullish day. If you look at the daily chart right now, we were in this kind of a bearish channel. We came down at the bottom of the channel, we closed the wedge here, and we went back to the top of the channel again. And let us see if we can close above the 5560 line. So those were just the 4 trades that we took today. It worked out well. The first part of the trading plan actually worked out, and it really did work out good today. So that was a successful planning session in the morning, I would say. So I would come back with the expectations for tomorrow in another video pretty soon in the evening, and then we will revisit the different time frames to find out what are the expectations for tomorrow and how we can play tomorrow. However, I am again expecting that tomorrow being the last day of the week, it may have a little less volume and it may again be in a trading range. So be careful there. Please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon. You will find the link to the Discord server as well as the Facebook page in the description. You're very welcome to join us there. And till then, have a great time, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.